What if you could take any video, replace the character completely, keep all the original motion, facial expressions, camera movement and actions? Today I'm gonna show you how to do that locally using Wan 2.2 model and ComfyUI. Without any fees, without any subscriptions, without any payment, all done locally in your machine. It's important to know that we are not just generating any motion using prompts. If you want to have motion control using prompts, check out my previous Wan 2.2 tutorial using ComfyUI in my channel. Here we are transferring motion from an existing video to a different character. Let me start ComfyUI by going into the folder. If you want to know about installation and stuff, it's already there in my channel in previous videos, so you can refer to that. I'll just start my ComfyUI main.py. So I'll open up my browser and I'll open up my ComfyUI. If you would check out my workflows, I don't have any more workflow. These are the 3 workflows of which I have already made video tutorials on my channel. The workflow for this video tutorial is in the description. The link to download that workflow is in the description, so download that and paste it here where I'm gonna show you now. Just go to your ComfyUI installation, go to your user folder, go to default folder, go to workflows, and here you paste the workflow given in the download link, Wan 2.2 animate. Check out your workflow here, but you won't see it because you'll have to refresh it. I'm refreshing it right now. You can see the workflow here, Wan 2.2 16 fps replace character only character workflow. All the workflow here. So the image goes here and your reference model goes here, and then you get the final output in this particular folder here, and the processing happens on this particular group notes here. So here currently there are 20 errors now because I'm showing you fresh. So just zoom in and all the models that you need to download and put in the respective folders. These are the folders where you need to put, and these here are the links where you can just click and download. So just click in here and you'll be taken to the download page. So download each and every model and put it in the folder. So let me do that, download that and show you. So now as you can see, I have downloaded all these files here in this download folder. You can just zoom in. I'm just zooming in to show you. So these are the places where you need to copy it right now. And let me tell you about this video model, because this is the main model. So I've given you 3 options. This is a GGUF options, where if you have a low VRAM graphics card, then you can use this one. I'm using this one. I have a 12 GB RTX 5070 and I have 32 GB of RAM. If you have more, you can get a better model. This one is the better model. You can get it here. Or if you have much higher graphics card, you can get a bigger one also from here. I'm going with the lowest model now. Based on that, quality may differ. So I have downloaded all of these. So let's paste it one by one. So this is my download folder. The first one is the SAM3. So segmentation. Copy this sam3.pt from here, or rather I'll just cut it from here and I'll place it in this ComfyUI models sam3 folder. So for you it should be here in home, ComfyUI models folder, and here you could put sam3, create a folder here. But because I am storing my model in a different drive, I'll use that drive. You could use your installation location. For me it's here. Inside this models folder I have diffusion models and others, but I don't have SAM, right? So I'll create a folder of SAM3 first. So SAM3, create that. Inside it paste this SAM3 segmentation model here, and then next we have pose detection, ONX detection models. So you'll have to paste those under detection. So go back. Once you go back here, this is the detection model here. So you go inside, you have to paste it here. So back into your downloads folder. These are the detection model loaders that you have to paste. So there are 3 I've downloaded. So these are 3 models that I'll cut from here and I'll paste in my detection folder under models and ComfyUI models directory. Once these are pasted, then you have to paste the main video model, Wan video model. This is the GGUF model. So I have downloaded the first one, which is the GGUF model here. So I'm gonna cut this. You have to put it under Fusion models folder. You have to put it inside here. So I already have Wan 2.2. So I'll go inside Wan 2.2. I already have two models for previous workflow, so I'll paste it here. Let me cut it once again. I'm using the least one, the GGUF model. I've pasted it. After that, we have LoRa's. You could use all of these. You could enable and disable either one or all while using the workflow. So just cut all of these and put it inside LoRa's folders. Here I have Wan 2.2 already. So I'll add other LoRa's here. So it's currently moving. Then we have to copy this way folder. So I do not have a way right now because I have already copied it. You have not copied it, go back to these model folders, and inside wave folders you have to copy this 2.1 BF16. Then comes the clip vision. You'll have to copy the clip vision under clip vision folder. So this is my clip vision folder, which is empty. So I have downloaded the clip vision model, so I'll copy that, cut that, and put it under clip vision. And lastly, we have text encoders. So I'll go back into the models folder, then I'll go into the text encoders folder here. So I'll copy this and paste it inside text encoder folder. The copy pasting is complete after downloading. Let me just refresh this. So after refreshing, you could see I have 19 errors because these are all red and do not have the nodes. So if you go down here, you could see these are the nodes that needs to be installed from the manager, ComfyUI manager. So go to manager, this place here. Here you have install missing custom nodes, which would try to find all the missing custom nodes. It could find only these four. So whatever it finds, select all and install all those nodes. So I'll click on install. So it'll be installing them. To apply, install, disable, custom, enable custom node, refresh, and do stuff. So close it right now. Restart this so that ComfyUI gets restarted, and then let's check the state of affairs that we have for this workflow. Once restarted, you'll have to refresh it. So I refreshed it. Now let's check which one of these nodes are installed properly and which one of these nodes are not installed properly, so that we'll have to install it manually. So let's check. If I zoom out, there will be a red color area if things have not been installed properly, but I don't see any red colored area right now. So I think all of those got installed. Let's go on with the workflow. Okay, first one, your image goes here. You can upload your image. I have downloaded an image from Google and used it. This is a video that I have downloaded that we will use, so that this character, the red portrait lady, uses this video and that gets replaced here. So let me just explain a few stuff before running this workflow. The first one is SAM segmentation model, device, CPU, CUDA, MPS. So CUDA is fine. If your graphics card is higher, you can use other options such as FP32 also, which will provide better quality, but for me FP16 will do. These are the poses. Here we have the model, which I have selected a GGUF model. You can select higher model here also. Here I have an attention mode SDPA. You can change the attention mode if you have other installed. By default you'll have SDPA. You can switch on and off these LoRa's from here by removing their strength. Right now you can see the strength here is 00 for this LoRa and this LoRa. So these LoRa's are not being used. Your processing will be faster. You will not get out of memory exception and errors, but quality will be lower. So let me use these LoRa's also. Let me put the value of 1 and let me check if I get error or if it's working. 0.5 for this would be fine. Okay, let me just zoom out and let me save this workflow also. So let's just start the workflow and let's see. So before starting it, let me just open up another terminal so that I could watch my utilization of graphics card. 6%, 1.8 gigs, others are free. Okay, so let's just run it now. I'll click run. Done, fingers crossed. So now it's working in the magic. You could see that it's trying to know the shape so that it could use that shape for our new character. If I go here, you can see 94% of my graphics card is currently being used. Okay, and here you could see that things are working. Okay, and you could also see that this in your browser here. If you switch on the console from here, you could also see, you can just move this workflow a little upwards here. Yeah, here you will get the final result here in this yellow location. I'm using gguf mall right now. Virtual terminal stopped, my device memory is full. Okay, so now I need to do some workarounds because my graphics card is clearly not supporting this workflow. You can face this issue about memory and stuff. Okay, so what I want you to do in that case is to decrease the strength of this LoRa, specifically rank 512 LoRa. This takes a lot of memory, so make it 0. Somehow you'll have to balance it. Okay, so I balanced these two LoRa, this one and this one, resizing LoRa, and let's say I keep the other LoRa's intact so that I can get something out of this workflow. Okay, now let me check if my utilization is okay. Yep, this is around 7%, fine, and my resources are down already now. So I think I can run this again, this particular workflow again. Okay, and keep my terminal also. So I'll run it again, fingers crossed this time. So I have removed 2 LoRa's now to compromise with the quality, obviously, because I do not have such a powerful graphics card right now. I have tested with these 2 LoRa's removed in lower graphics card also, which was around 8 gigs of graphics card, but then I had increased the swap size to have more RAM. Not more RAM, but maybe I've increased the swap size there, so the models get loaded. So currently I think I'll have to increase the swap size in my computer also if this doesn't work with these 2 LoRa's. So we'll do that in a moment if we face that error. I'm just showing you all the possible causes, all the possible scenarios that you can face when you're doing this because of limited hardware, and how to overcome that to run UI workflows like these. You could have only one LoRa enabled, that is keep the strength as 1 for the first LoRa and keep the strength as 0 for all other LoRa's. In that case memory will not be used, so I think that will be good, because in that 8 GB graphics card I have tested. Oh, it's done. I think all tasks have been completed. I do not have to do anything else. So let's check the result. You can see finally we have got a result. So this is the final result, and this is the video you could see, and you also have the audio also. That's the benefit. You could see. Okay, and I have taken the first 20 frames here, okay, from the whole video, not the entire video, so that it gets done properly. Okay, so now let's check out the video. Okay, let me switch off this audio. So you can see that the character has been replaced here in this video, and this was our character. So our character is now performing and we have got the video done. Let me do some tweaks now. Since I know that this is running, I'll do some more tweaks and check out if it works or not. Let me increase the swap size and then check it out. So I'm showing you as well, like if there are if you want to do that also, so just use this swap on show. Here you will see the image that is being used as swap. I have 8 GB of swap right now. Okay, now I want to increase this swap size. Okay, and the swap image that is being shown up here, it will take some time. See, the swap file has gone. Okay, it's gone. It's just my RAM now. You have to allocate the swap size now, so you'll have to run sudo f allocate, and I'll keep 32 gigs. one that I just deleted. I'll press enter. So I'll have to change the permissions first. Now I'll have to create it, sudo make swap, wiping old settings swap version, so it's fine. So you'll have to switch it on, sudo swap, swap on. So once you've done that, then you will have, if you do this, then you can see it has been created now, right? Go to your resources, you can see a swap has been created with 32 GB, which is what we want, right? Restart the ComfyUI process. You can see the time here in the prompt, 126 seconds. It took 126 seconds for that workflow. So I'll start Python main. So now I'll try to have I'll change these to weights, strength of these LoRa's, so that I can use these LoRa's also, and then run it again and check it out if my workflow can run. So let me run it once again, fingers crossed. Run. Done. So I'm running it right now. Let's say prompt executed, bro. 242 seconds. Yep, it's done. You could see here that prompt has been executed. Let me show in the larger screen. Prompt has been executed in 242 seconds. So around 4 minutes, a little more than 4 minutes, it has been executed and it has been unloaded. So that's great. So this is the new one. So as you can see, the quality is better. That's what we get. So this is how you could generate unlimited AI videos, and you can use motion transfer. It's like motion transfer that you get in Kling videos. Let me know if you want another workflow where you can change the background of the video also here. Green, the bottom one is generated from GGUF model, that is the quantized version, the lowest space size, and the top left, the first one from the top, that's from the higher model and used FP16 and forward pass only. And the second one you can see is from that same higher model but used FP32 SAM segmentation and both pass, forward and backward pass. And you could see the change, the difference you can see on the screen. If you like these tutorials, please like and share the video, and please subscribe to the channel so that I can make similar video, continue making the video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next time. Till then, peace.
I'm gonna go sick.